Today's Professionals brought to you by The Basement Doctor.
Hi everyone, I'm back in the studio today with John Clements, the Basement Doctor.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm great. I'm a little bit of a news junkie.
Okay.
And lately, it seems like every time I'm turning on the television, I'm seeing these awful reports about the flu.
Yes.
And it's an epidemic across the entire United States, and it's not going away.
No.
And I want to know what's to blame. Is it our stinky crawl spaces and our musty basements?
Well, I am the basement doctor, so
You are.
we have the cure, obviously,
Yes.
right? Yeah.
Yes.
Actually, we don't. But there are so many circumstances. As we all know, common sense rules the roost in most situations. Washing your hands and things like that, and not spreading germs. But we also look at the environment that we're living in.
Mm-hmm.
And this time of year, where we got the 3 inches of snow coming every night, the windows and doors are shut, everything's locked up tight, and we're recirculating that air in that house. And we're just going over and over and over again for months. If you've got germs in that house, you're just constantly breathing them back in. If you've got germs that are penetrating through the foundation, through the dirt floor of the crawl space, through the funky walls that are in the basement,
And I don't
stuff
think
like
we
that.
think about that. I think
No.
we think about disinfecting countertops and doorknobs.
Right, yes. But there is ways to make your house healthier by treating the problems, the molds, the mildews, the things that are growing downstairs that they're really not bad most of the year, but when we get into this time of year, all of a sudden they're starting to cause the sinus problems, the headaches, the respiratory issues and things like that.
Okay.
So, and I want to make sure we mention this Friday night, we're going to be at Delphus Jefferson
Okay.
collecting non-perishable food items, cash donations, prize wheel will be there, giving away stuff for the kids.
Great. We'll stop and see John. Thanks for being here, everyone.